This is, my lord, movie tickets being sent by the girl because she wants to go for a movie with this boy. Next page also, page 16. This I am placing for ladyship's to consideration to show that if 25th October was the incident as alleged by the mother, my lord, then this does not align with the case of a person who, while being in a relationship, was forced to undergo any sexual harassment. But I am not even using the word penetrative sexual harassment. My lord, then please see next page. This is, my lord, everything that happens. I therefore said they were in a cordial friendship stroke relationship, my lord, in terms of the complaint prior to one incident. My lord, ladyship may only notice page number 18, right hand side bottom. But I am not reading this out aloud. There is a quotation sent. My lord, next incident, my lord, if I may just place, is 13th November. Separate copies. Now, this is a material I must give it to the police, my lord, for the purpose of assisting the police. My client just needs some interim protection so that he can go before the police and place all of this. Your ladyship has the date 12th November. My lord, in the middle of the page, below the photographs.
Yes.
Above that, my lord, are photographs which show that the family and the boy and the girl went to, my lord, some spiritual places together. Just below 12th November, your ladyship may see the time length. My lord, check. Another incident is 13th November, my lords. Page 17 top, your ladyship asked me, where is the date? 13th November. 13th November is the relevant date. Another incident. Now, 12th November, just below 12th November, left side, does my ladyship see voice call 8 hours? This is the call made from the girl's phone originally. It originates from the girl's phone. 13th November, voice call 6 hours. 13th November, they are talking normally for 6 hours. 8 minutes. Next page, your ladyship would see regular messaging, my lord, between people who may be in a relationship or friendship. Next page, 14th November, voice calls exchanged.
Yes.
14th November, my lord, is the third line. And your ladyship sees 14th November, voice call 6 hours. Again, voice calls, my lord, then messages are going on. Next page also, your ladyship would see all normal messages. So, my lord, 13th November, nothing for the, my lord, court to at this point glean that the incident of 13th November that is referred in the complaint, it may need to be investigated. I am only trying to place, because my lord, the complaint refers to social media chat. I am placing social media chat prior and after between these people, and my lord, this is between the victim and my lord, this particular person, that nothing from this chat indicates something serious. Maybe there is something more. That will be their case. Maybe a case for investigation. I am arguing this for the purpose of interim, my lord, anticipatory bail. My lord, next is 31st December. Copies wala good. Seal cover level number. But in fact, my lord, this 31st December, there are other messages which show that they were planning a 31st December get together with friends for a long time earlier. And my lord, the places were being suggested by all people. We'll go to this place, that place, not that she was forcibly taken as the mother tried to complain. Now, lord, ladyship sees 30th December.
28th.
30. My lord. Page 5.
Yes.
Third set. My ladyship has been on?
Yes.
My lord, ladyship sees on 30th December, what is forwarded by the boy to the girl is Telangana Excise Department giving permission. But Excise Department, your ladyship knows, now the permission is if they want to have a small private party if they are consuming liquor. Now then please see next page.
Yes.
No, I'm sorry, same page below, 3rd January, your ladyship sees there are missed calls. When she calls, not picked up. We don't know what transpired, what was the fight or whatever. Next page, regular, some forwards of messages on 5th January. Left side, my lord, something that the girl sends, the photographs. Next page, again, 5th January, my lord, photographs of something else. At the bottom of the page, my lord, again, typically, my lord, in a friendship, my lord, because the mother calls it a relationship and I don't know them as well, my lord, I'm only, even if I take the allegation to be true, my lord, please see page 9. I think the problem starts, my lord, after the missed calls start happening from here. 7th January, the mother admits relationship broke off. But 31st December, 1st January, the nature of allegations made, which, my lord, in the original complaint were at the nature of sexual harassment, lord, nothing of that nature reflected from, my lord, the contemporaneous surrounding circumstances. And this is a test your ladyship, my lord, has laid down in the SC/ST case, that even if the complaint were to make, in this case, had the original complaint made an allegation about penetrative sexual assault, which is section, my lord, 5 and 6. Even then, if there is something for the court to see that this may be something that is just added for the purpose of spicing up the complaint, the court can look behind. Luckily for me, but I have a much lesser burden to discharge, because if I take the allegation entirely, post proper legal advice, post them contemplating legal action from March, filing the complaint in the month of 8th May, if they have not made that, that in my respectful submission singularly entitles me to the grant of a limited benefit of doubt for the purpose of anticipatory bail. Your ladyships are not deciding the issue, your ladyships are not discarding the improvement, your ladyships are not saying that no case is made out. As long as the court thinks that this is a matter where if I need to be taken into custody, that is the original sections required me to take into custody, it's a different issue. They did not require me to take into custody. So any improvement made, as I said, my lord, the normal latitude may not be available in this case, because the original complaint is filed, as I use the expression, my lord, with full contemplation, full deliberation, full legal advice, my lord, and your ladyship may see the language, my lord. It would have done me proud. Honestly, my lord, I'm not trying to demean it. It's a very well drafted legal complaint, which clearly emanates, my lord, from some very good legal advice they have taken. So if someone who's so legally well advised uses, my lord, the nature of language which I'm complimenting them, that is not making this allegation, any allegation made thereafter, may be incorrect. My lord, lastly, my lord, very quickly now I have to show some law and then I'll conclude, my lord. My lord, your ladyship may kindly have, my lord, POCSO Act. My lord, the object of this act itself.
Yes.
My lord, this was pursuant to the Convention on the Rights of Child. My lord, the last para of that act, and whereas the state parties to the Convention on the Rights of the Child are required to undertake all appropriate national, bilateral and multilateral measures to prevent, my lord, A, the inducement or coercion of a child to engage in any, my lord, please mark this, unlawful sexual activity. My lord, original object was not any sexual activity, unlawful sexual activity. The exploitative use of children in prostitution or other unlawful sexual practices, the exploitative use of children in pornographic performances and materials. My lord, then the definitions, my lord, I'll skip. My lord, what may be relevant though for your ladyships to note would be 2A, which is aggravated penetrative sexual assault, false promise of marriage. It may be a case of cheating, not penetrative sexual assault, my lord, under POCSO. Lord, in fact, I must, yes, my lord. So, my lord, my respectful submission is, in the totality of these circumstances, where the law itself, A, did not prohibit the grant of anticipatory bail, B, my lord, if the facts and circumstances, and I have placed several orders of the Supreme Court granting interim protection which have been confirmed, under section 6, and my lord, where there are several other judgments of the court, my lord, Law Commission's report, my lord, I'm not referring to the recommendations, but I just want to place it where the Law Commission refers to various high courts lamenting, my lord, this wrong application of POCSO. I'm not even using the word misusing. And Law Commission therefore recommends. So, my lord, the recommendation may not have been accepted, law may not have been amended, but the Law Commission noting that several courts across, my lord, and the several courts, as I mentioned, my lord, would be Madras High Court, Kerala High Court, my lord, Karnataka High Court, Madras, I mentioned Madras High Court. my lord, Allahabad High Court, Bombay High Court, my lord, Guwahati High Court. I have all these judgments. Where my lord, the courts have lamented, I just need to show the Law Commission recommendation with regard to the High Court speaking of.
They are all not necessary for.
Very well. So my lord, my respectful submission is, this is a matter that may require investigation. I am not asking for quash. I am only praying for grant of anticipatory bail. But if anticipatory bail is granted, I will readily go join investigation, assist. If suppose after my assistance, after deeper investigation, but it is eventually found that I have to be found guilty of some offense, the punishment would follow. But suppose if I am taken into custody and eventually if I am able to show, my lord, that this is maybe, my lord, an incorrect application of POCSO being applied against me, particularly, my lord, those more graver sections, then my detention being caused, my lord, will become irreversible and it will be harmful. So, my lord, my respectful submission to your ladyship's kind consideration is, in the facts of this case alone, in the circumstances of this case alone, taking the complaint as was drafted with full legal advice, my lord, no serious offense was originally made out. 161 statements, my lord, that may have been recorded. The learned PP may assist your lordships, but your ladyships may take it that whatever they are saying post 8th May would be for the purpose of trying to frame me in a more strong sense that I'll come under the threat of. And my lord, they have a grievance. They have a motive to improve and punish me because they feel wronged. Your ladyship sees the complaint itself, they feel wrong. So they have a motive, my lord, trying to go after me. If your ladyships are able to see that, my lord, I would respectfully pray that anticipatory will be granted to my client. Any conditions, my lord, last submission I'm making, even if, my lord, in some cases, my lord, court directs, my lord, that there must be some reports made to the court monitored investigation, my lord, by any condition where I have to go and appear on almost on an everyday basis, my lord, let me do it. Let me give any assistance they may need. I am fully willing to subject myself, my lord, to this investigation. I just need, my lord, to ensure that I am protected for the purpose of going and appearing and giving everything that they need. Because this is a false case filed against me. My lord, I am deeply.
Anybody a diabetic here?
My lord.
Huh?
My lord, I got the instruction, my lord. My land senior counsel yesterday argument, today argument, my lord, is seeking the my lord, anticipatory bail in POCSO case. Definitely is not entitled. My lord, kindly see, my lord. My lord, my land counsel, my lord, submitted before this honorable court. Improvement is there, my lord, nothing. Even first complaint, my lord, victim daughter, my lord, victim, my lord, mother also filed the complaint on 8/5. Even, my lord, page 17, my lord, kindly see complaint, my lord. All, my land,
he read out in total.
yes, skip, my lord, where he was skipped the land counsel, skipped the word. It only 4 lines without my lord reading. Kindly go through the, my lord, even it attract the, my lord, 5 and 6 POCSO Act. Page 17, my lord. My land friend skipped the words in order to.
Para 6.
Yes, my lord. Para 6 last 4 lines. My lord, definitely, my lord, it attract the, my lord, 5 and 6 POCSO Act. Apart from that, my lord, my instructions would be.
No, you say that 5 and 6 are attracted there.
Yes, my lord.
What is 5?
Even first complaint itself. My what I want to. My lord, even 161.
And then if it attracted, then why did you not add it?
My lord, even
Why did you not?
my land friend time and again saying that it is an improvement. My lord,
No,
adding the,
initially, okay, let it not be.
my lord, even
improvement.
161 statement.
When you are saying that, these recitations in para 6.
Even my humble
Attracts for 5 and 6. You should have added.
even words, my lord, even my lord, FIR is not an encyclopedia. My lord, IO having the power to, my lord, either delete the, my lord, accused or added the accused, my lord, he is having the absolute power. My lord, subsequently, after, my lord, taken into, my lord, statements from the victim itself, then, my lord, added the section of law.
Okay. Now, what is that statement which
My lord,
you
kindly
need to
see.
add?
My lord, victim statement, my lord, page number 15,